Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Twitter. So if you want to clear your search history on Twitter, there's a really simple way to do it. This is just clearing all the search history that you've searched on Twitter. So anything that you've searched for before, I'll show you guys how to clear it from your search history. So first things first, you're going to want to head over to the Twitter app. Once you're on the Twitter app, you're going to want to go all the way home, and your home should look something like this on a home page that you can scroll on. Once you're on your home screen here, you just want to click on the search button, which looks like a magnifying glass on the bottom of the screen. It should be right to the right of the home button. So once you click on the magnifying glass, you'll be brought to this page here. This is the search page. Here on the search page, you're going to want to click on the search bar, which is at the very top of the screen. And here you should be able to see everybody that you've searched. So anything or any tag and people that you've searched. So to clear everything off of here, you're going to want to click on the X in the top right corner right beneath cancel. I don't think there's any way to remove single history searches. If you know a way, put it in the comment section below. I'll pin you. But if you want to clear it, you just click on the X and then right beneath cancel, and then you just clear it. Now, as you can see, there's no search history left. So that's how you clear your search history on Twitter. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.